viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So in this video we are going to connect our Metamask wallet with CVX network, and also we will add CVX token in our Metamask wallet. If you want to get more income or passive income, so you can also stake your curve token on this platform. So how can you do this? Is so simple and easy. Please must watch this video till end. This video is going to very informative for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. If you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. So first of all, I'm going to open Coinmarketcap and we will check the rank of CVX token, and also today we will connect our Metamask wallet. This platform you can easily stake your coin and you can get more income or massive income, and we will also add this token in our Metamask. You can see here the Bitcoin price is this time $38,000 almost. And if we need to check the rank of CVX token, so this time rank is almost 62 number. Yes, you can see here 62 number. Convex Finance CVX, $24 price, almost $25, 5%, 6% down, 24 hours, 7 days in 12% down. So if you need to connect your Metamask wallet with this platform, you just simple click on it. After that, new page open in front of you where you will get all information about this token or also official website. If we need to check the price graph of this token, so you can see here when this token is launched, almost price is $5 and all-time high is almost $55 to $56. And Convex Finance is DeFi protocol that allow to curve liquidity provided to earn a share of trading fee on curve without staking liquidity there. So you can read also article from this website. Just simple open this Coinmarketcap, this token, and if you need to trade this token, so you can use these exchanges: Binance, Gate.io, KuCoin. I'm not giving you any financial advice. Depend on you if you want to buy, sell or this token. And if you need to connect your Metamask wallet, first of all, so you just simple click on convexfinance.com. This is the official website. If you need to stake your curve token, so you must need to click on this official website. After that, you can see here boost curve staking, deposit liquidity, and boost CRV and reward. And total revenue 493 millions and 174.5 million earned curve from this staking area. Earn CRV with a better boost. Deposit your curve LP token to earn curve trading fee. Boost CRV and CVX token boost the pool from CRV stake, so you do not need to worry about locking yourself. Put your CRV to work, stake and earn additional CRV on top of CVX token. And if you see, you can see how it works. Deposit any amount of CRV token into curve. Receive CRV token in exchange for providing. Receive a share of total CRV. You just simple open this website and get more information. But we are going to connect our Metamask. So there is option available here: connect Metamask, connect wallet. After that, 4 wallets available: Metamask, Inject Wallet, Wallet Connect, and Coinbase Wallet. So I have this time Metamask wallet, so that I'm going to connect Metamask wallet with this platform. Just simple click on it. Now the new pop-up open in front of me where I need to enter my password here. just simple click on unlock. Now my Metamask wallet is open in front of me. Before going to connect your Metamask wallet with this platform, you must cross check you have selected Ethereum mainnet, because this network supported Ethereum. So I have already selected Ethereum, so just simple click on connect next and then connect. Now as you can see here, we have successfully add our Metamask wallet with this platform, and you can see here there is my address is shown here. And let's suppose you want to stake your curve, deposit, liquidity, earn, boost. Simple click on stake button, then the new page open in front of you, and your wallet is connected with this platform. Simple click on this C button, and you can see here wallet balance 0, stake 0, locked, unclip. I have not this time balance, but I am just giving to information how to connect your Metamask wallet and how to stake. If you have balance in your wallet, then you can easily stake your curve. Let's say you have a balance, then you just enter amount here, how much you want to stake, and then click on approve and then convert to stake. So there is pools available here. The highest pool reward and ratio 162%, and next 93%. It's depend on you want to stake your curve token or not, or you want to earn passive income from here or not. It's depend on you. Now we have successfully connect over Metamask wallet with this platform. Now we are going to add this token over Metamask wallet. Simple click on Metamask wallet again and click on expand view. Now the new page going to open in front of me, the Metamask. We have already selected Ethereum mainnet because this token is developed on Ethereum, so that first of all you select the network for Ethereum, then you can add this token. There is option available, import token. There's two options available, custom token and search. So I simple click on custom token, go to the again open Coinmarketcap, and you can see here is available contract address. Simple click on it, then the etherscan.io will be open in front of you, where you can find all information about contractors, about this token, contract address, decimals, and also symbol. So I just need to copy contract address, open the Metamask wallet and just paste here. If my contract address and my network is correct, then the token symbol and token decimal will be automatically filled. So means my contract address is correct, then the field is automatic. So just simple click on add custom token. Now as you can see here, there is shown CVX. Click on back, and we have successfully add token CVX on our Metamask wallet. So if you need to deposit on this wallet, you simple click on it, click on assets option and account details. Now this is your wallet address, and there is your private key. Just simple click on find private key, enter your password here. I have entered my password here, but before going to find your private key, you must read the warning, because if you share your private key to anyone, your fund will be lost. Okay, click on confirm. Now the private key is shown in front of me. This is my wallet private key. If I need to recover, restore, import my wallet, then this private key will be helpful for me. So viewers, I hope you properly understand how can you connect your Metamask wallet with CVX or Convex Finance, and how can you add the token CVX in your Metamask wallet. Both options is very informative for you. If you need to stake your token or earn passive earning from curve. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. If you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.